Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am at Prani, the pet sanctuary, a beautiful place where you can connect with nature and explore a wide variant of bird and animal. And if you love bird and wild animals, this place is must visit. So join me as we are exploring Prani Bird Sanctuary together.
They are from Mongolia and they are called as Mongolian turtles. And in Mongolia, they are found in desert. In desert, the daytime will be really hot and the night will be really cold. To protect from the cold, they have fur on their tail. And these animals, they are very curious. Whenever they are curious, they stand on the hind. This lizard called iguana. Okay, and iguanas from South America, and iguanas are arboreal animals. Arboreal means most of the time they live on trees.
These two sons are rescue, okay? And these ponies are very good climbers. Okay, they climb their hill very fast. Okay, so can you guess their age? Isha and Gabbar age? 3 years. Body weight is around 550 to 600 kg, and she eat 10% of their body weight, like 50 to 60 kg food they will eat every day.
Every day.
Yeah, every day she will eat 50 to 60 kg.
So I'll tell you, the turtles are completely land animals. If you look at their legs, they have a round shape of legs. Whereas turtles are completely aquatic, they have flippers that help them swim in the water. Whereas the terrapin have webbed feet. Okay, so just like the ducks and the goose have just webbed feet, they are semi-aquatic. They can stay in your places. I'll come to you. You can gently pet it on a shell.
Yeah, you're right. They can jump. They can jump up to 3 feet only. What about 10 feet? No, hey. Oh. This is called as mealworm.
Oh.
This is larva. They won't jump here. They shoot water.
Oh? Kya? Are you serious? What are you?
Can you notice they can observe their accuracy?
So they're shooting so it
Yeah,
will fall.
they shoot water. Whenever they want to eat food or whenever they want to eat insects, what they're doing, they take air. And also, it's our Indian wild animals. We should not keep it as a pet. It's illegal. Let's keep it as a pet. And rabbit, these are rabbits called as European rabbits. Okay. And eggs, they have longer ears.
Years right now, right? And when he came here initially, he wasn't this fine, right? Actually, when he came in, the previous owner that used to take care of him used to feed him all kinds of things like coffee and idlis and all of that. Basically, whatever we eat.
Please follow all instructions from the staff and guides and do not provoke them or tease the animal. And also please don't feed outside food as maybe it will be harmful for the animals.